Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of activating your IndusInd Credit Card. Whether you're a new cardholder or just need a quick refresher, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Look for your credit card details. Before you start the activation process, ensure that you have your IndusInd Credit Card with you. You'll need the following details: your credit card number, the CVV, card verification value, on the back of the card, your registered mobile number. Step 2. Call the IndusInd Bank customer care. One of the simplest ways to activate your IndusInd Credit Card is by calling the customer care service. Dial 1860 500 5004, IndusInd Bank's customer care number. Follow the IVR instructions. Select the option to activate your card. Verify your identity by entering details like your credit card number, date of birth, and other requested information. Once the process is complete, you'll receive a confirmation notification. Step 3. Activate online via IndusInd Bank website. If you prefer to activate your card online, follow these steps. Visit the official IndusInd Bank website, https://www.indusind.com. Log in to your account using your credentials, user ID and password. Navigate to the Credit Card section. Select the option to activate your card. Enter the required information: card number, CVV, and date of birth. After verification, your card will be activated instantly. Step 4. Use IndusInd Mobile Banking app. If you have the IndusInd Bank mobile app installed, activating your card through the app is a breeze. Open the IndusInd Bank mobile app on your phone. Log in to your account. Under the Credit Card section, tap on the Activate Card option. Provide the required details: credit card number, CVV, and your date of birth. You'll receive an instant notification confirming that your card has been activated. Step 5. Activate via SMS. Another convenient way to activate your IndusInd Credit Card is by sending a text message. Send an SMS to 567675 in the following format: activate, last 4 digits of your credit card. You will receive a confirmation message once the activation is successful. Step 6. Start using your card. Once your IndusInd Credit Card is activated, you're good to go. You can start using it for your online and offline purchases. Bonus tip: for security reasons, make sure to change your PIN as soon as you activate your card, and always keep your card details private. That's it. You've successfully activated your IndusInd Credit Card. We hope this guide was helpful. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.